Today we have Lukas Enzersdorfer, former zeb employee, and today the Chief Product Officer at Bitpanda. And today I just want to ask you a couple of questions about one of our bank's favorite topics, which is regulation, of course. And I think in the crypto world, it's quite a difficult topic because in Europe you have a certain amount of regulations, maybe even on a country-by-country basis. China certainly has different regulations, and in the US. So what's Bitpanda's approach to regulation?
The most important topic to understand is that it's highly necessary for the crypto industry for making it mature, that regulation comes into place and even grows and matures also as part of growing the industry. Therefore, we are huge fans of regulation, but it always has to be in a harmonized way. And what we can see currently in Europe is that it's quite fragmented, right? You have a different license in South Europe versus countries in the Northern Europe, and therefore we are really strongly fostering a harmonized framework within the European Union for cryptocurrency regulation.
I mean, do you see that as a potential threat to existing currencies like Bitcoin, maybe even Ethereum, things like that? Or do you see it as an opportunity?
No, it's definitely an opportunity because it's like applying blockchain technology to different use cases. And this is exactly what it's all about with crypto assets and the underlying technology, to find the right use cases for certain technological services. And therefore, as more regulators, as more authorities, as also more central banks actively deal with and do projects in that environment, the more mature the whole crypto industry will come.
Now, although I think cryptocurrency has moved more and more into the mainstream, there still is a little bit of skepticism. How do you combat this political skepticism and bring it more into a general acceptance?
It's highly important to understand the difference that cryptocurrencies in the end is an asset class, a high risk, high volatile, or a high risk, high yield and volatile asset class. And this exactly it is about. And if some payment tokens get evolved out of that, great. But Bitcoin is definitely not a currency which will be used to pay goods all over the world.
So you wouldn't even try to combat that skepticism. You would point out the different use case that exists and focus on that.
Definitely, and also you see it in the regulatory proposals of the European Commission and the European Banking Authority already now, where they highly differentiate between the different types of cryptocurrencies and crypto assets to exactly cater and foster these different needs of an asset class versus some payment tokens versus other use cases of the technology.
Oh, that's very exciting. And thanks so much for taking a couple of minutes to talk with me today.
Thank you very much. Great to be here.